Imagine a bustling metropolis where the lights never dim and the energy never wanes. The hustle and bustle of the city is exhilarating, but it comes at a cost. With skyrocketing housing prices and the constant hum of traffic, city living can be a financial burden. But what about the suburbs? Is it possible to live frugally in the land of spacious lawns and quiet streets? The purpose of this video is to explore the pros and cons of city and suburban living, and to uncover uncommon tips for frugal living in both areas. So join us as we delve into the age-old debate of city vs. suburbs, which is cheaper for frugal living. City living. The city, a concrete jungle where dreams are made and shattered, a place where opportunity and challenges coexist. Living in the city can be an exhilarating experience, with access to an abundance of entertainment options, cultural diversity, and public transportation. But with the perks come the downsides, like sky-high housing costs and the constant hum of noise pollution. But fear not, frugal city dwellers, for there are ways to make the most out of city living without breaking the bank. For example, take advantage of free events and activities such as outdoor concerts, community festivals, and museum exhibitions. Instead of spending money on expensive dining options, explore the diverse street food scene and try out different types of cuisine. Take advantage of the public transportation and bike-sharing programs to save money on transportation costs. Or try bartering for goods and services with local businesses. The key is to think outside the box and make the most of what the city has to offer. And while city living may come with its own set of challenges, it also offers endless opportunities for those willing to make the most of it. Suburban living. The suburbs, a land of spacious lawns and tranquil streets, where the pace of life is a little slower and the air a little fresher. Living in the suburbs can offer a sense of community and a quieter lifestyle, with larger homes and less crime. But it also comes with its own set of challenges, like longer commutes and a lack of cultural diversity. However, for those looking to live frugally, the suburbs can be a goldmine of saving. For example, start a community garden to grow your own produce, carpool to work to save on transportation costs, or take advantage of local garage sales and thrift stores for bargain shopping. Utilize the parks, libraries, and community centers for free entertainment options. The key is to get creative and think outside the box to make the most of suburban living. The suburbs may not have the same hustle and bustle as the city, but it offers a unique set of opportunities for those looking to live frugally. It's a balance of trade-offs, and it's important to weigh what's important for you and your lifestyle. Cost of living comparison. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. So, you may be wondering, is the city or the suburbs truly cheaper for frugal living? The answer, my friends, lies in the numbers. Let's take a look at the cost of living in both areas and see how they stack up. When it comes to housing, the city may have higher rent prices, but the suburbs often come with higher property taxes. Transportation is also a significant cost to consider. The city offers public transportation options that can save on the cost of car ownership, but the suburbs often have cheaper gas prices. Food and entertainment also play a role in the cost of living. The city offers a wider variety of dining options, but suburban groceries tend to be less expensive. It's all a matter of perspective, and it's up to you to weigh the pros and cons of city and suburban living and decide which one aligns better with your budget and lifestyle. But whatever your choice may be, remember that being frugal is all about being resourceful and finding ways to save money no matter where you live. Creative, frugal living techniques. So you've decided on the city or the suburbs, but you're still looking for ways to stretch your budget even further. Well, have no fear, for there are plenty of creative and unconventional ways to save money in both areas. In the city, try house, sharing, or co-living arrangements to split the cost of rent. Take advantage of discounts and deals offered by local businesses, or try your hand at urban foraging to save on groceries. In the suburbs, try starting a carpool or bike to work to cut down on transportation costs. Try bartering or trading goods and services with your neighbors, or start a community garden to grow your own produce. The key to frugal living is to think outside the box and get creative. There are always new and innovative ways to save money no matter where you live. So don't be afraid to try something new and see how it can benefit your budget. Voiceover. So, we've explored the pros and cons of city and suburban living and uncovered some uncommon tips for frugal living in both areas. But ultimately, the decision of where to live comes down to your own lifestyle and financial goals. The city offers a bustling metropolis full of opportunity, but also comes with skyrocketing housing prices. The suburbs offer a quieter lifestyle and more space, but also come with longer commutes and higher property taxes. It's all a matter of trade-offs, and it's up to you to weigh what's important for you and your budget. But one thing is for certain, whether you choose the city or the suburbs, there are always ways to live frugally and make the most of your surroundings. So, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Be resourceful and always look for new ways to save money. And remember, the true beauty of frugal living is the freedom and flexibility it provides. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.